Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. I'm going to be demonstrating this tool here, which is quite good, and it looks like today I'm literally in the shitter. So let's go. Alright, so there's a new door being put on. We've done our back set, we know what we're drilling. We've done our speed bore on the side. Okay, so now we're up to the 54mm hole saw. So here is the hole saw. Here it is here. I'm going to be drilling from this side of the door, then I'll be drilling from the other side of the door. What I wanted to demonstrate to you is this new product here. It's not really new, it's just we've never had them before, and I think it's well worth the money. So we put that through there. Come on with our drill. Okay, so that's ready, that's fitted. Find our drill point, just right here. And I'll just open the door a little bit. Not yet. There we go. Okay, that's the first layer. That's actually captured quite a bit. We have our centering hole. Okay, that's our second layer. So this is a hollow core door. So the point of this is just to show you how much this actually captures. If you're using different types of hole saws, you can probably get it a bit closer. As well, you can see mine had a bit of a gap. Ideally, you want that to be below this surface. This is spring, and this is a screw thread here for easy getting it on and off. And for what it is, for the $10 it was, as you can see what it's captured there, that's better than on the floor. Now when I do my vacuum afterwards, I'm going to have a lot less to pretty much deal with. So we got these because we were going to be doing a job where we're doing a lot of knob sets and we had to re-drill them. And we thought, well, if we can save having to vacuum the floor as much every time just by using this piece of plastic, it was worth it. So we got these just off eBay. I think they're about $15, but in many circumstances I definitely think these are the way to go. I don't know the exact name. If you do, leave it down in the comments down below, but they're a dust catcher, and yeah, I think they work well. Not in every circumstance, but a lot of time you can quite catch that. If I was drilling into a roof, it'd be ideal, but because we do doors, that's a rough demonstration of what it does. Leave your comments. Thanks for watching.